Hello friends, welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. Today, I have a funny story for you about a very clever fox and a very proud crow. One wants cheese, the other wants compliments. What do you think? What will happen? Let's find out. This is The Fox and the Crow. Are you ready? Let's go. One bright morning, in a quiet forest, a hungry fox was walking. His nose was in the air. His tummy was empty. He was looking for food. Suddenly, he stopped. He saw something in a tree. It was a crow. But not just a crow. This crow had something in her beak. It was cheese. The fox's eyes became big. His stomach made a loud sound. He thought, I don't need to look anymore. That cheese will be my breakfast. He walked to the tree. He looked up and said, Good morning, beautiful bird. The crow looked down. She did not trust the fox. She said nothing. She held the cheese tightly in her beak. But the fox smiled. He spoke sweetly. Your feathers are so shiny. Your wings are so strong. You are the most beautiful bird I have ever seen. Then he said, You must also have a beautiful voice. Please, sing one song for me. If you do, I will call you the Queen of Birds. The crow felt proud. She was so happy to hear those words. She forgot about the cheese. She opened her beak to sing, and the cheese fell. Snap! The fox caught the cheese before it hit the ground. He smiled and said, Thank you. Your voice is interesting, but where is your brain? Then he walked away, eating the cheese. And the crow? She sat in the tree, sad and hungry. She learned something important. My friends, the lesson is clear. Be careful when someone gives you too many sweet words. They might not be honest. Think before you trust. That's the story of the fox and the crow. Did you learn some new words today? To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Happylish YouTube channel for more English stories that teach English the fun way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.